Question number 9. Exercise 15.1, question number 9. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. एक बॉक्स है, इसके अंदर कितने मार्बल्स है? 5 रेड मार्बल्स, इसके अंदर 5 रेड मार्बल्स है, इसके अंदर 5 रेड मार्बल्स है और इसके अंदर 8 वाइट मार्बल्स है and 4 green marbles. 4 green marbles. 4 green marbles. Look here. One marble is taken out of the box at a random. एक मार्बल को इसमें से चूज किया गया रैंडमली. रैंडमली का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे यानी कि बगैर देखे उसको उसमें से हाथ डाला गया और वहाँ से एक मार्बल को लिया गया बगैर देखे, यानी कि रैंडमली का मतलब ये होता है, रैंडमली विदाउट लुकिंग इनटू द बैग. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द मार्बल टेकन आउट विल बी रेड. इसकी क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी कि वो जो मार्बल हम चूज़ करेंगे यानी कि वो जो मार्बल हम ड्रा करेंगे उसकी वो रेड होगा, उसकी क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी. अब देखो पहला हमको लिखना है टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम कितनी है, यानी कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ मार्बल्स इन द बैग, टोटल नंबर ऑफ मार्बल्स in a box. Here it is box. Total number of marbles in a box. Total number, you can write total number of marbles. First you can start total number of marbles. Total number of marbles. Total number of marbles. How many marbles are here now? That equals to 5 plus 8 plus 4. That equals to what? 17. Which means that total number of marbles in a box equals to 17. There are total, which means that these are total number of possible outcomes. These are total number of possible outcomes. And in part first, what we have to find? We have to find probability. If we choose one marble from this box, what is the probability that we get a red marble? इसकी क्या probability होगी कि वो जो marble निकलेगा वो red marble ही होगा. देखो क्या करना है. पहला पार्ट इसमें सबसे पहले इवेंट को डिनोट करती है. क्या करते हैं? हम इवेंट को ई से डिनोट करेंगे. किसे? ई से. लेट ई डिनोट्स द इवेंट. डिनोट्स द इवेंट ऑफ गेटिंग कौन सा मार्बल? गेटिंग ए रेड मार्बल. ए रेड मार्बल. नाउ this E denotes the event of getting a red marble. Now how many marbles are in favor of this E? There are 5 red marbles. There are, so number of favorable outcomes to E, that equals to what? 5. So you can write number of outcomes favorable to E equals to what? Number of outcomes favorable to E, that equals to 5. Now you have to calculate probability of this E. So you can write therefore probability of E equals to as we know that in classical approach of probability of any event equals to number of favorable outcomes to an event divided by total number of possible outcome, which means that number of red marbles here, number of red marbles, you can take number of red marbles here also. In this way you can write, or number of outcomes favorable to E, that is one and the same. Number of red marbles divided by total number of marbles. Total number of marbles, यानी कि बैग में कितने मार्बल है, बॉक्स में कितनी मार्बल है और रेड मार्बल कितनी है. ऊपर क्या लिखना है? नंबर ऑफ रेड मार्बल्स और नीचे क्या लिखना है? टोटल नंबर ऑफ मार्बल्स. सो यू कैन राइट नंबर ऑफ रेड मार्बल्स हियर इज 5 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिवाइडेड बाय 17. 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 17. ये था पार्ट फर्स्ट इसका, यानी कि जिसमें आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी थी, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग ए रेड मार्बल. That means probability of this actually probability of E denotes probability of getting a red marble. This equals to number of red marbles divided by total number of. That means number of outcomes favorable to E divided by total number of possible outcomes, which means that 5 divided by 17. In part second, what you have to calculate? You have to calculate what is the probability that the marble taken out will be white marble. That this is white marble. That this is white marble. You have to calculate probability of getting a white marble. Getting a white marble. In part second, look here. In part second, you can write, you can denote the event. Now we can denote the event by F, as we have already denoted in part first an event by E. So now you can denote the event of getting which marble? White marble by F. So you can write let F denotes the event. Let F denotes the event. Denotes the event. The event of getting which marble? Getting a white marble. A white marble. A white marble. White marble. White marble. So you can write let F denotes the event of getting a white marble. Now look here. After that, number of outcomes favorable to F. How many outcomes are there which are favorable to F? So you can write number of outcomes favorable to F equals to what? That equals to 8. Which means that number of outcomes favorable to F, that equals to what? 8. Now here, look here. Therefore, probability of what? Which event we have to find? Probability of F. That equals to number of white marbles divided by, as number of white marbles, how many are there now in white marble? 8. So you can write number of white marbles divided by total number of marbles. So this number of white marbles, this equals to 8, and total number of marbles equals to 17. That means probability of getting a white marble equals to 8 divided by 17. Whether you get this? Okay. पार्ट थर्ड में कह रहा है कि आप प्रोबेबिलिटी निकाल लीजिए कि वो ग्रीन नहीं होगा, यानी कि जो हम मार्बल इसमें से चूज करते हैं वो ग्रीन नहीं होगा. ग्रीन का मतलब यहाँ पे नहीं होना, या तो वो रेड होगा या वाइट होगा. ये दो है ना, तीन है इसमें खाली. या तो अगर ग्रीन नहीं मिलेगा, या तो रेड मिलेगा, या तो वाइट मिलेगा. अब देखो यहाँ पे अगर हम एक काम करेंगे, हम प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालेंगे ग्रीन की, किसकी, और फिर हम उसका जो कम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट है वो निकालेंगे, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालेंगे कम्प्लीमेंट्री. तो वो कॉन्सेप्ट भी यूज कर सकते हैं, वरना इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. सबसे पहले इन दो का ऐड करना है, यानी कि 5 + 8 दैट इक्वल टू 13, and you get 13 divided by 17 as probability. That is one concept. But here you can, if you denote the event, this event of getting this green marble by A, you can find after that probability of A, and later you can find probability of A complement. That is, A complement means complementary event. Or you can denote this, which concept we are going to use. Okay, it depends upon you. Whether we use complementary, oh, that will be. So we can use here probability of complementary event probability. So here let A denote, first of all, let A denotes the event of getting a which marble? Getting a green marble. And here we have to remember this thing. In part third, we have to calculate actually not getting a green marble. So we first of all calculate probability of getting a green marble. Probability of getting a green marble. This is event. This is event. Probability of getting a green marble. Therefore, yeah, you can write number of green marbles equals to what? 4. That equals to number of green marbles equals to, or you can take number of outcomes favorable to this A. That equals to 4. That equals to 4. Therefore, probability of which? Probability of A equals to, which means that probability of getting a green marble, that equals to what? Number of favorable outcomes. You can write 4 divided by number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. That is 4 divided by 17. 4 divided by, but we have to calculate actually probability of not getting a green marble. So you can use complementary event probability concept. So we can write here. We know that probability of A. We know that probability of A plus probability of A bar. That means probability of its complement equals to what? 1. But here it is given that probability of A equals to 4 by 17. You can use here for probability of A equals to 4 by 17 plus probability of A bar. Probability of A bar. This equals to what? 1. Now you can transpose this 4 by 17 here. So you can write probability of A bar equals to what? 1 minus 4 by 17. Whether you get this? Which means that this equal to 17 minus 4 by cross multiplying. 17 minus 4 divided by 17. This is actually probability of not getting a green marble. Not getting a green marble. Not getting a green marble. Green marble. This is the probability of not getting a green marble. This actually equals to 17 minus 4, that is 13 divided by 17. As I already told you, if you can add these two, that is 8 plus 5. These are the rust marbles other than this green marble. That means 8 plus 5 equals to 13. You can use also that concept. That means 17, this 13 divided by 17. This is also valid. Okay.